We're here today as a result of 19 arrests. Actually, another arrest was made last night, which will bring it to 20. This was an initiative started by the men of the Woonsocket Police Narcotics Unit. We saw as the spring began and everyone knew that the COVID was in full bloom and it was lockdown, but we were seeing a spike in overdoses here in the city of Woonsocket, especially related to fentanyl. So they decided on their own to put together an initiative, and that initiative resulted in the arrests that are noted in that sheet that was put out today. Over the 19 arrests, over $130,000 in cash, 2 firearms, 4 vehicles seized.
It's an important day for us in Woonsocket. I think it's important also to recognize our Vice Unit and the difficult work that they do in taking these drugs off of our streets. Certainly these individuals are affecting our families, our friends, our neighbors, and importantly, we have incorporated a partnership with the Community Care Alliance, working to help the individuals who are subjected to these narcotics from these dealers. So it's a partnership that we're very proud of. We thank you for that. And also we'd like to thank the Attorney General, who has been a partner here since his time in office, and even before that. We've had a great working relationship with the Attorney General's office for years, and we thank them.
You know, as I was thinking about this operation over this period of months, reflecting on that this morning, the reality is that before COVID-19, this was the largest public health crisis we were facing as a country and as a state. And during COVID-19, in a sense, we have collectively forgotten how important this fight is. This opioid crisis that we're in hasn't gone away during COVID-19. If anything, it's gotten worse. And there are really 2 things that I believe we have to do to fight that. One is to find help for those who need it, first and foremost. And I applaud the city's participation in the Community Care Initiative and the HOPE Initiative to make sure that those who need help get the help that they need to break the cycle of addiction. That's really hard work, both on the part of the people who do that work and, of course, the people who are victims of this crisis themselves. But we also have to do a good job in law enforcement to try to interdict those organizations that deliver fentanyl and heroin and other serious narcotic substances in the city of Woonsocket and beyond. And the work that was done here by the Woonsocket Police Department and their Vice Unit, their narcotics unit, is really outstanding.